We back again, you two.
Yo, same clothes, same day, just 10 minutes later.
Yeah.
That's how it's going, man. That's how
Yeah,
it
we
gotta
haven't started to greet each other better thing. We'll be like, oh, hi, you two. Then that we ain't do that.
Nah, we ain't doing that shit.
Yeah, so.
But yeah, what's up, people? What's up? So
the topic is about, we're going to touch a little bit about, what we're going to speak. You know what I mean? More about, Chevy Punks, you know?
yo, we can't do that, man. We can't do that.
So yeah, so today's about, you know what I mean? You know, like most immigrant family don't buy insurance.
Yes.
The family do not buy insurance.
Yes.
They look at the kids and them as their insurance.
Yes.
You understand what I mean?
100%.
Like life insurance we talking about. They look at the kids
I shut that shit off.
they're looking at the kid at life insurance. So it's like, I know for coming from the Caribbean and stuff like that, and I know few people come from the Caribbean, that first of all, it's expensive to buy life insurance in our country.
Yeah.
It's expensive.
Okay.
Second of all, they come out here, they're used to that. They look at, okay, then if they had 3 or 4 kids, one of those kids is gonna take care of them. They're not gonna put them in a nursing home. They're not gonna, you know what I mean, leave them there by themselves. They know one of the kids gonna take care of them. You understand what I mean? So that's why I see back then they have so much kids. They have 4 kids, 5 kids.
Yeah.
Because they know they want the kids to either come out successful, and they know one of them is gonna come and take care of them. So that's why they do buy life insurance. But I personally think, you know what I mean, they need to be a little bit more educated on it.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To more educated on it. Like, you know what I mean? Some of the kids and they should start, well, some of we do.
Yeah.
Trying to start to say, Mom, Dad, tell me enough to buy life insurance.
Yeah.
They be like, what? So, where the money you go? We not get the money. You know? They say that. They be like, where the money you go? I ain't getting no money.
Yeah.
So why am I gonna go give them my free money? You want me dead? How me I get money?
No, I hear you. No, you're right. Because it's the same thing with well, most of the Indian people. Well, how about this? Just for my family itself.
Okay.
My parents, they don't believe in that shit either.
Exactly.
Because in their head, it's like, I'm growing up, my brother's there and all that. We gonna take care of them. And, you know, if you say something like, oh, you know, there's nursing homes out there, this and that. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. The
That's
worst
a
thing ever.
no. You say that to them? Oh, so at least I me mind you.
Oh,
I take care of
yes.
you.
Hell yeah.
I do this for you. You can put me in a nursing home. That's how I am to you now.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man. That's
Yeah.
how they do that. They straight up. My mom literally tells me, be like, oh, you know, as you just say, we've been raising you for 30 years. You put the food on the table, get you all this nice house and shit, this
Yeah.
and that and that. Why did we do it? Who did we do it for? We should have given you away. I'm like, yo, come on, man. I'm right here.
Yeah.
I'm right here, man.
Yeah, because see, that's why they have so much kids back in the day. You
Yeah.
understand? Even
Yeah.
with the Caribbean country and stuff like that, have kids because they know they want their kids to come out something, and they know one of their kids is gonna come and take care of them.
Yeah.
Whether is that kid get married, right? Which one they're gonna live with? You
Yeah.
understand what I mean? It's like
Yeah.
if you go to some nursing home,
Mm-hmm.
you understand what I mean? As some retirement home, whatever you want to call it, you don't really see many Black and East Indian and Chinese in it.
No, barely.
Yeah, it's mostly white people, it's mostly older white people, because them, they don't have time to take care of their family. Then be like, oh
Well,
no.
sorry to interrupt. I wouldn't say that because one
Not
day-
all of them, don't get me wrong,
because
not all
we
of them.
shouldn't be saying that shit
Yeah,
about
yeah.
the thing anyway.
Not all of them, not all of you, not all of them, right?
But I think, you know, I think it's just how they're being raised, right? Because their parents did the same thing and their parents
do
did
the same thing. Yeah, it's a cycle,
So it just-
continue.
exactly. Like,
Yeah.
like we've been raised in a way where we're supposed to kind of, you know, look after our parents because they looked after at
Yeah.
us. Like, and because we are being, I'm not going to say our parents said this to us. Be like, no, you should be taking care of us. But it's like, it's just the expected.
Yeah.
You know, it's just...
It's
and
like
then-
you say, you know what I mean? We see our parents take care of our grandparents.
Yeah, there you go. Exactly.
So the card pass on.
There you
know
go.
What I mean?
And you just like, you know, you feel that yourself. Be like, hey, you know, it's my responsibility
Responsibility for taking care
because
of my
they
mom,
did
my
that to
dad,
me.
yeah.
You know, and it's just the way, as I just said, it's just the way being...
They're trying to...
just getting in the video and shit.
Cause when they go up like that, you can just see half of it.
Yep. But yeah, no, because I was literally, 4 or 5... Well, I think like 3 weeks ago or something. I was trying to get my parents up on the insurance and shit.
Yeah, but you know they're not gonna do it.
Oh, well, no, they did it.
Oh,
I was
awesome.
surprised. Yeah, I was surprised. I was like, wait, my dad didn't got it because my dad, being my dad, thinks he knows everything.
Yeah.
He's just, so, you know, okay, it's kind of funny. So the insurance people called him, you know, parents, so when you get the insurance, there's supposed to be a test and they call you and ask you questions and stuff like that.
Because they don't want to know your age and everything.
Right.
Yeah.
So a doctor called, one of the insurance people's doctor called my dad. And my dad, being my fucking dad, like stubborn as hell he is.
Yeah.
So he's just like, so that doctor's like, oh, how you doing? This and that. Oh, we need to do your test. This and that and that and that. Oh no, I'm old. No, what did it say? He's I'm young like a horse, man. No shit, no fucking shit. He said that, and I'm like, Dad, you freaking 60-some.
Oh my God,
there, man. Yo, he said that. He's like, no, I'm still young. And the doctor's like, oh no, we got the reports. Your cholesterol and shit is high and all that. Oh no, you probably had the wrong report. You should get that checked again. I'm perfectly fine. Look, I'm dancing and shit. And I'm just like, yo, man.
I can see that.
Straight up. And I'm just like, Dad, what the fuck?
Because, you know, I you know me, like, not just your dad, most people want to reach a certain age. You don't want to go to the doctor. You should.
No, yeah.
But then don't want to go to the doctor because they know every time they go to the doctor is bad news.
More
something never always perfect. Something always wrong.
Yeah.
Something always wrong.
Yeah.
I go to the doctor, so you know, this is this problem, you should do this. Wait, what? I'm fine. No, you should do that. Wait, what? You know what I mean? So, you know me, I see a kind of point where your dad like, yeah, I'm young as a horse, you know what I mean? You know, I see at that point, right?
Oh yeah, no, absolutely.
Because you go to the doctor is always something. It's no like, is that the fading point some of we guys, like some guys and some older Caribbean guys had a saying, you know what I mean? You did go to the doctor, it's nothing good. You understand me? See, the moment you hear you just saw an age, guys start to be like, oh, check your prostate cancer. You tell some guys from the Caribbean, for what? How they gonna check it? What? The guy no matter what? No, hell no.
That's true.
They're not gonna do it.
No one touching that shit.
Exactly. They're not gonna do it, right?
I hear you. Because then he got the report, right? Then they send you a letter, be like, either you got approved and shit.
Yeah.
You didn't got approved. The cancerless thing, man.
Yeah,
like,
because some insurance go on the age to how old you are and something like that. Because even if they take you, you have to pay more, right? And the other thing too, with some people coming either from the Caribbean, Africa, and East India and stuff like that, is they come up here as a late age.
Yeah.
And when they come up, all they focus on is working, making the money, try to get the lifestyle that they have.
Yeah.
And then when they catch themselves, will try to get this life insurance. Am I already too old?
Oh yeah, my dad's like 64. He's already freaking retiring.
Yeah, exactly. But your dad a hustler, man. You can still,
well, yeah,
it's still
different,
move, right?
That's different, right? But he ain't getting no shit. It's simple as that. But my mom get it. Or did she get it? I think she get it. I don't know.
Perfect. That's good.
Yeah.
Then.
So the kids and the my sister-in-law, my brother, they all got
yeah,
it.
you need you then, you know what I mean, educate your family and get in that life insurance, people.
Oh yeah,
they need that life insurance because even if it's you still taking care of your mom or your dad, or your grandpa or your grandma, in the end, you one gonna leave for bury them. Exactly. And for bury somebody told is expensive. Oh yeah. It's not cheap. Oh, when you go to a funeral home, and some people don't want to be burned.
Oh, simple as that.
Some people don't want to be born. Some people want to go in the ground, and when they go in the ground, it's more expensive.
Yeah,
it's way expensive to do it. So get some kind of life insurance so you could help. That could help you out
somehow, some way. And you know, another thing I learned, which I'm gonna get that done myself, is apparently there's this thing called mortgage insurance.
Yeah, for the houses.
For the housing shit, and apparently, like, you know, if it's under my name, for example, and let's say it's $300,000 on mortgage, and I have that insurance, and if I die tomorrow, the house is paid off.
Yeah, I thought you know that.
I didn't know that shit.
Okay, yeah.
So I got everything. All the houses done that thing.
Yeah, he seemed like with your mom and your dad, the house, and then if your dad passed away, your mom, the house completely paid off.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
You know what I mean? But I always some like a loophole. But it's it's a thing for people.
So these little things, you know, no one really reads the
nobody,
and shit like that.
Because they've not been educated. All they've been taught to come out here. Moment you come out here, go get a job, go get a nice house, go get it. But then not tell them the smart way how to do stuff, right?
Yeah. But there's benefits in these things, man.
Oh yeah.
Like in these countries especially, it's just if you know how to pull those loopholes, as we just said, you're good.
You're good.
'Cause
Yeah, you
back
do
in-
everything smarter, not harder.
There you go. Because back in our countries, we don't have shit like that.
That, exactly. And
We-
if
we
you
dealing-
do, it's expensive to
Exactly.
get to.
Yeah. Because
Shitload
we
of money.
deal with what, like, all cash money.
Yeah.
Because, like, we never fucking had no loans and shit back in my country. Like, we never had to. Because it's just deals in cash.
Deals in
It's
cash.
just how
And
it
you have
goes.
to know who to go to the bank
Yeah.
for get a loan.
Yeah.
And depends on where you work, you might never get a loan back
Oh,
there.
yeah,
so
absolutely.
I know exactly what you're talking. Same with the
Absolutely.
Caribbean country. Everybody like what get paid, cash money coming, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? So it's like that.
Oh, yeah, man. So,
yeah.
Get some insurances, take care of those things.
Yeah,
You know?
put your family up on insurance, put
Yeah.
your mom, your dad, your grandparents up on insurance. See if
You know
you
what
can
I
get them
wonder,
in.
though?
Uh-huh.
Shit, man. If you have a girl, she fine as fuck, and the coochie looks like nice, can you insure that shit too?
Yeah, you can show legs, but I mean, boy, the coochie bad, but you can show legs.
Yo,
you
that'd
can-
be sick, man. And if
But
you
you
have
ain't shit no hard
if
shit.
you have the elbow, you get that fucking shit insured, man.
You have to be using it for do something good then.
Oh man, I'm telling you, you get that thing insured for like fucking $1 million and shit. Your wife's good.
I know, like if you're a celebrity, that's something you can insure, like your legs, if your legs are part of you.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Shit.
Okay, man, we out of here again.
Peace.
Yeah.